Okay, everybody, what we have here is we have a Power Air Fryer XL that is not working. I've just plugged it in. As you can see, it's plugged in. And whenever you push it in the basket, this should all light up. Now it's not doing that right now. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. It's a fairly common problem, and it's a pretty simple fix. So let's jump right into it. Like I said, this is the Power Fryer XL. This fix or similar fix like this should work for other Power Fryer sizes. What you're going to want to do first is you want to disconnect the power source. Safety first. Then I take the basket out and I set it to the side. You want to make sure you only do this with the unit completely cool. So we haven't used this unit in a couple days. That's when it acted up on us. There are 5 screws on the bottom that you need to remove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I've done this before. This air fryer is, I believe, 5 years old. And I've replaced this same part on here multiple times before. The part's very inexpensive. It's like $3 for the part. And the air fryer itself was like $120 when I bought it. So it's worth it to me when this part goes bad to buy a new one and install it. Okay, so you undo your screws. You have to tip it back over to kind of shake the screws out once you back them off, because they don't actually come out enough to come out. There we go. There's 2 of them. This other one's wedged in there from the last time I had to do this, so it just comes right out. Okay. Now you don't have a lot of extra room with this cord, so I just kind of tuck that to the side. So essentially, what has happened is you have a switch right here. And this is a microwave switch. On the side of yours, it'll tell you like the item code number for what it is. Mine is a 11307. Well, no, I'm sorry. It's a SZM-V16-FA-63. So that's what I needed. Hear that click? The one on here doesn't do that anymore. It's clicked its last click, guys. So this is going to go here. You have 2 wires and there's 2 screws. You're going to back these screws out. Okay, just like that. You're going to identify which switch goes where. Pull the switch off. Replace it with the new switch. Just like that. Line it back up. See this one? It no longer clicks. It's done. We're going to put our screws back in. Get them snug down. Now I have a little piece of cardboard that I use as a spacer just to help it make better contact, and I just wedge it right between that plastic lever and that switch. There we go. Now, that screw that I was telling you about that got a little sideways, lining it up. You want to put your basket back on, or your shroud. You line up on the sides. You want to make sure it goes back together. Looks real clean. The lines look real clean. That one in there. Get those snugged down real good. It's not coming off. I might snug this side down just a hair more. There we go. Now, you'll flip your air fryer back over, plug it in, put your basket in, and everything should light up if I've done it properly. Let's see what happens. And there you go. That is how you fix the micro switch on your Power Air Fryer XL. Have a great day.